Welcome back to Mathematical Spectrum. I am Arya Aji. I am studying in class 11. In today's section, we are going to discuss more previous year's questions from the chapter Polynomials. So, this is our first question. And this is a question which is asked in the year 2016. Okay. So, question says that find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. So, we have to find a quadratic polynomial, and also it is given that two of its roots are 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. So, as we did usually, we have to take one root as alpha. So, alpha is equal to 3 plus root 2. Now, other root is equal to beta. So, beta is given as 3 minus root 2. We already discussed that the general form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square or x square minus sum of the roots into x. Sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. So this is a general form of a quadratic polynomial. Okay. And the sum of the roots is alpha plus beta. And that is equal to 3 plus root 2 plus 3 minus root 2. So this root 2 and minus root 2 will get cancelled. So the resultant will be equal to 6. Now we have to find the product of the roots. Okay. So product of roots means it is alpha beta. And that is equal to 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2. This is of the form of a plus b into a minus b. We already studied that a plus b into a minus b will be equals to a square minus b square. And here a is equal to 3 and b is equal to root 2. So a square minus b square will be equals to 3 square minus root 2 square, and which is equal to 9 minus root 2 square is equal to 2. So 9 minus 2 and which is equal to 7. Okay. Now we can write the general form of a quadratic polynomial, that is x square minus. Here sum of the root is equal to alpha plus beta, and which we obtained as 6. So x square minus 6 into x plus product of the roots, and product of the root is equal to 7. Okay, so 7. Okay, this will be the general quadratic polynomial. Now, this is our next question. It is asked in the year 2015. Okay. The question says that if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial such that alpha plus beta is equal to 24 and alpha minus beta is equal to 8, we have to find the quadratic polynomial having alpha and beta as its zeros. So here given two equations connecting this alpha and beta, and we are asked to find the quadratic polynomial having alpha and beta as its zeros. Okay. So the given two equations are alpha plus beta is equal to 24 and alpha minus beta is equal to 8. So when we add these two equations, we will, okay, this beta and also minus beta will get cancelled. So alpha plus alpha, which is equal to 2 alpha, and which is equal to 24 plus 8, which is equal to 32. So alpha will be equal to 16. Okay. And when we substitute this alpha is equal to 16 in our first equation, we can say that alpha plus beta is equal to 24, and when we substitute this alpha in this equation, 16 plus beta is equal to 24. Therefore, beta will be equals to 24 minus 16, and which is equal to 8. Okay. So, we obtained the value of alpha 16 and beta as 8. Alpha is equal to 16 and beta is equal to 8. Now, we are asked to find the quadratic polynomial having alpha and beta as its zeros. We already know the general quadratic formula, form that x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. That is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Here sum of the roots means alpha plus beta, and alpha plus beta is equal to 16 plus 8, or it is already given in the question, it is 24. And alpha beta means product of the roots, and which is equal to 16 into 8. Okay. So 16 into 8 is equal to 1. 16 into 8, 128. Okay, 128. Now we can substitute in this equation. So it will be equal to x square minus alpha plus beta is equal to 24. Okay. So 24x plus product of the roots is alpha beta, and which we obtained as 128. So this is the quadratic polynomial having alpha and beta as its zeros. Okay. Now this is our third question, and this is asked in the year 2016. The question says that if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial f of x, which is equal to x square minus 1, we have to find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha by beta and 2 beta by alpha. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരു ക്വാഡ്രാറ്റിക് പോളിനോമിയൽ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് അത് x square minus 1 ആണ്. And also it is given that alpha and beta are the roots of this polynomial. ഇതിന്റെ റൂട്ട് ആൽഫയും ബീറ്റയും ആണ്. But this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. അപ്പോൾ to convert to that form we have to introduce a term of x. പക്ഷേ ഇവിടെ x ന്റെ ടേം ഇല്ല, so we can write this as x square plus 0x minus 1. Now what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to sum of the root and which is equal to minus b by a. Here b is equal to 0. So minus b by a will also be equals to 0. Now the product of the roots, that is alpha beta, and which is equal to c by a. Okay, and here c is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 divided by, here a is 1. So product of the root is minus 1. Okay, so we obtain the sum of the root as 0 and product of the root as minus 1. Now we are asked to find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha by beta and 2 beta by alpha. We already know that we can write it a quadratic polynomial as x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Plus product of the roots. Okay. And appo ividuthe root nu vecha 2 alpha by beta, 2 beta by alpha. So sum of the root means 2 alpha by beta plus 2 beta by alpha. But we have to take this 2 as common. Okay, so 2 common edutha alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Now we can cross multiply. So alpha into alpha, which is equal to alpha square, plus beta into beta, which is equal to beta square, divided by alpha into beta. So alpha beta. Okay. What is a plus b the whole square? A plus b the whole square will be equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write this a square plus b square as a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Okay, in the same way we can write this alpha square plus beta square as alpha square plus beta square, which will be equals to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, 2 alpha beta, but alpha plus beta is 0 square, so it's equal to 0 itself, minus 2 into alpha beta. So 2 into alpha beta is equal to minus 1, so which is equal to 2. Okay, appo namukku alpha square plus beta square ne 2 nekam. So 2 into 2 divided by, now what is alpha beta? Alpha beta is equal to minus 1. Okay, minus 1, and which is equal to 2 into minus 2 and which is equal to minus 4. Thus we obtain the sum of the root, that is equal to minus 4. Now we have to find the product of 2 alpha by beta and 2 beta by alpha. So 2 alpha by beta into 2 beta by alpha, and here beta and beta will get cancelled, and also alpha and alpha will get cancelled. So okay, so 4 will be the product of 2 alpha by beta and 2 beta by alpha. So we can write the general form as x square minus, here sum of the roots we obtained as minus 4. So minus 4 into x plus product of the roots. Product of the root is equal to 4. So it is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4. So this will be the answer. On the next class, we will start a new chapter, that is quadratic equations. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and get notified when the video drops. Thank you.